Hello everyone, it is Qingyang Wang here. Today I want to talk with you about my topic, which is digital technology and children's education. The reason why I interested in this topic is that we are all the users of the digital technology, especially in college. I use the I use the digital technology all of the time when I'm studying. So I'm thinking about whether the digital technology will be helpful for children education because children education is not maybe not really same as the college student. That's why I want to talk about this point. So my goal is that discuss about both positive and negative effect of the digital technology when it is used in children education. At the beginning, I think I will focus only on the negative effect because I find a lot of research paper that all talk about the digital technology is not good it's not good for the children education and it's unhelpful. However, after the research of the last weekend, I found that I found a lot of example about the positive effect, which means that the digital technology can generate a positive effect to children education. So it is also very interesting. I want to share with you. So the tool I want to use is I want to film. I want to make a video on the YouTube by iMovie and my phone and with my phone and my MacBook. I think it is most effective way, although it's very challenging for me. I don't want to make the website because I think it's very boring for me and for you to read a lot of word. That's why I want to make a video. It's very direct, direct to express my idea. Okay, so first of all, I want to uh, talk about the topic on the positive effect. I found both of these examples from the same Twitter account, and she talked about how they use the digital technology in the classroom. It is very interesting, and you can see here that they put a chicken in front of the computer. I don't really know what that means, but I think I haven't seen such kind of classroom before, so I think it's very interesting, and I will definitely share this example in my video. And it expressed the idea that using the digital technology is helpful for children to improve their computer science knowledge and also improve the efficiency of good work. Okay, so then I will talk about the negative effect. I didn't put anything here because it is all about the research paper. One of the paper that is very impressive I found is talk about he separates the children into two groups. One group is they have class with their teachers just like a traditional one. And then another group of children will only use iPad when they are taking the class. The research found that many children who only use iPad will have much chance to lose their attention on class because they will, when they use a iPad to answer the question, they will see they will not put attention on the question and they will maybe talk to others or they will move to the next chapter, although the last chapter they didn't understand what the last chapter is talking about. Again, the paper expressed the idea that because when teachers ask you a question, the teacher give you the intent, give you the idea that teachers hope you to answer the question. Then the children will have the power or have they tend to answer the question if they feel that. On the contrary, iPad cannot give children such kind of the feeling because the iPad does not have emotion. Although this paper is very reasonable, I think, and I found it was very impressive. However, after the last weekend I do the research, I found that I cannot totally agree with that paper because I think that researchers does not use the iPad in the right way. I don't think iPad can totally replace the traditional teachers. That's why I think that it is reasonable that their children cannot put much attention on only using iPad because iPad cannot replace teachers from now and to future, I believe. That's why I think this research is not such kind of reasonable. In my video in future, maybe I will talk about more about my ideas about those research paper. Maybe I will agree or I will disagree with that. Okay, so lastly, I will describe my idea. In the conclusion, I will talk about when after the last weekend I do the research. I thinking about this Chinese Chinese word I have heard for my whole life is the sea can carry the boat, but also can overturn it. It means that we can imagine metaphor that the sea is the digital technology and the boat is ours. So the digital technology can help us to improve our knowledge and to help us improve our working efficiency. However, it can also obey us and also can influence our working efficiency if we use it in the wrong way. For example, when I was studying, I use my computer to play computer games, but not use it to type an article or the paper or do the online assignment. So I think that the digital technology is just a tool. You can use it in the right way if you want. So when you so I think when you think that you're using the technology digital technology and your working efficiency is much slower than before, why don't you just think about whether it is your trouble but not the digital technology's trouble? Because digital technology is just a tool. You don't need to be the tool. You don't need to be the slave of the tool. So when you are thinking about think about whether it is the digital technology's fault, I think it is better for you to think about whether it is your fault. So that that is the conclusion idea that I'm thinking about. Maybe it is not a completed one, and I think it is maybe it's not very logical that I put to this conclusion, but I will working on it. It is I think this idea is very great, but it is maybe a high level, and I need to work harder to prove this conclusion in my video. So okay, that's all. Thank you.